Welcome to Waggoner Online. This short tutorial is about finding dissertations in the Waggoner Library collection. There are three primary ways that you can discover Trevecca-related dissertations. The first would be using Discovery Search. Discovery Search is right on the library homepage. In the search box, you would simply enter Trevecca dissertation, click the green search button. You'll notice the results say 590 results in libraries worldwide. To narrow to those in Trevecca's collection, on the left side, under the library filter, you're going to click Trevecca Nazarene University. It'll automatically filter those to be dissertations. So as you look at your dissertation result, you'll notice, one, obviously the title, the author, but then it'll tell you right here that it's a thesis and a dissertation, and give you the date, in this case 2011. If you can access the dissertation online, you will see the button that says Access Online. There is also a print copy for the years 2009 to present in our reference collection, and that's why you see available Waggoner Library reference and a call number. So these are our reference print copies that are not check-outable. If you see something such as number 2 here, where it says available, Waggoner Library Main reserves dissertation, a duplicate copy of our reference collection print copies have been placed on reserve. That means they can be checked out for a limited time. Doctoral students can have 2 print reserve dissertations for 90 days. They are not renewable. So now this covers how to find a dissertation from Discovery Search. To go to the second and third options, we're going to go back to the library homepage, and we're going to go to all databases. The first database that we're going to look at is going to be in D, under Dissertation, and it's going to be the one that's entitled Dissertations and Theses at Trevecca Nazarene University. This is a database collection that is only Trevecca granted dissertations, so it will be narrow in scope. I'm going to type the word leadership in here. You don't need to click full text or doctoral dissertation. Just click the search box or enter. You will not need to limit to Trevecca or to the university on this result search page, because it is all Trevecca granted. So everything you see here has been granted from Trevecca as an EDD degree, or perhaps a PhD degree. You also notice perhaps that the numbers were different in the Discovery result list than they are here. Discovery had a few more, and that reflects those that there are reserved copies for. Dissertations and Theses at Trevecca Nazarene University is a ProQuest database. So if you're familiar with ProQuest, you have the options like you do in all other ProQuest databases. When you click the title, you will be able to view the full text PDF. You'll be able to download it as well. Use these buttons and links on the right site. You can print it, you can email yourself a copy or the link to this page. you can save this whole dissertation as a PDF. Now the third way to find Trevecca-related dissertations would be, I'm going to go back to our A to Z list and clear the filters. Once again, I'm going to go to D for dissertations, and you'll see Dissertations and Theses Global. This is the master database, so it includes universities nationally and globally, just as the title implies. So it's going to be a much broader set than the one right above it, which is limited to Trevecca. So let's click on this. Here's our term again, leadership. Once again, I'm not going to choose any of my limiters here. I'm going to click search, and you'll see the numbers on the result list are quite different because it is global. So now if you were looking for Trevecca related and you were here in the Dissertations and Thesis Global database, you don't have to leave it. You can simply use one of the limiters on the left. Scroll down to where it says University Institution. Click that down arrow. You'll need to click More Options. When this pop-up window shows, in some cases you may need to enable pop-ups on your computer in order for it to display. When I click this, it's going to put it in an alphabetical list, the universities. So I can scroll down to T for Trevecca. Oops, sorry. Bear with me here, y'all. So I'm going to include Trevecca and apply. So it's going to take the term leadership, apply it to Trevecca, and give me my results. I can continue to narrow if I'd like. You can put another topic in here. Maybe church here. And just I entered, but you can click on the button as well. But you'll see some that now we're still in Trevecca dissertations. The things that are bright or yellow here are the highlighted words that we entered to search. So you will see that popping up in the abstract preview. Once again, ProQuest Dissertations and Thesis Global is a ProQuest database. So it has all the same options, the site, the email. When you click on the title of the dissertation, you're able to see, just like you did in the Trevecca one, the download, the site, the print, the email, the save, whatever you would have wanted to do with your particular document. If you need help with any of this, please connect with the library.